Welcome back, foodies. Today I'll be showing you how to make the perfect Nigerian jollof rice. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post another video. Now I'll be using chicken to make this. I'll add my all-purpose seasoning to it. I'll add my onion. You can use any other protein you want. I'll give this a good stir and cook it for some minutes. While that is cooking, I want to prepare my tomato paste. For this tomato paste, you will need your red onions, red bell peppers, tomatoes, scotch bonnet peppers, and garlic. I'm going to wash this, blend it, and we're going to be cooking this for 30 minutes, guys. So we are done blending our tomato paste. I'm going to transfer this to a pot and boil this for 30 minutes. So guys, as you can see, our tomato is ready for use. I'll walk you through all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We need your vegetable oil, your thyme, your curry, your meat stock, tomato paste, your tomato base which we prepare together. The butter is optional, but I like adding butter when I'm cooking this. Your onions, bay leaves, your rice, of course, your seasoning that you want to use. Okay, so let's get started. You need a stainless pot. Please don't use a non-stick pan. So guys, you want to go in with your onion when your oil is heated up properly, and you're going to stir this for 2 to 3 minutes, just for it to turn darker. Then you add your tomato paste to it. So this tomato paste should be fried properly. Tomato paste is a major part of your jollof rice journey. Make sure you fry it properly. Once it's properly fried, your jollof rice is going to taste very good and tasty. So we are going to be frying our tomato paste for 15 minutes, guys. 15 good minutes. And for the period of 15 minutes, you want to make sure that you're stirring it continuously. If you don't stir it, it's going to burn. So this part is very crucial in making your jollof rice. Once you get this part right, every other thing will settle down fine. So stirring of your tomato paste is very important. You want it to get to this point where it's looking really red. You can see the color has darkened a bit. You've fried this properly. At this point, you can beat your chest that your rice is going to taste yummy, and rich. Can you see the way it looks? So the next thing you want to add is your tomato paste. After adding your tomato paste to this, you give it a good stir. You stir this properly to make sure that everything mixes well. Add your bay leaves to it. You want to add your seasoning to it at this point. So we are going to also put our meat stock to it at this point. This meat stock is going to give it a very rich taste. So you will turn this into your tomato paste and paste. Mix this thoroughly. When you're done mixing it, you want to cover this to boil a little. Just make sure your heat is at a very medium level at this point, because if it is high, your kitchen will be, I don't know, so it's going to be messy, guys. Your kitchen is going to be messy, so you just want to keep it moderate. We'll go ahead and wash our rice. Please use warm water. When you're done washing this rice, you're going to transfer it to a sieve. Keep turning the water out till it turns clean. After that, you want to pour this in your pot. Now add the rice to your pot. When you're done adding it, you're going to stir this properly. I'll usually cook this rice on a moderate heat. Jollof rice do not need like a high heat and all that. It just needs a moderate heat to cook properly. You just stir this. So get a foil paper to cover the pot. You don't want the heat to escape from this pot. So we're going to cover it properly before covering with the main cover. So just make sure that everywhere is totally sealed. You don't want air to escape from this pot. This is going to help your rice to cook evenly and like keep the heat inside and cook properly, So the temperature of my cooker is really at a very moderate level. So this will cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you check your pot back and let's see what is happening. Wow, jollof rice aroma is all over this room, guys. So at this point, you can add your butter. Yes, if you don't want to add butter, you can skip this part. You can add butter and a little onion. Sprinkle onion on this part. Sprinkle some fresh pepper, tomatoes, the things you just love to add to your rice can be added at this point. But for this particular recipe, I'm going to stick with butter. Just butter for this part. I'm going to cut my butter into this pot. You can see the rice is almost ready, and it's giving you all the jollof rice vibes. At this point, we're going to add our butter. Cover this pot for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your food is ready. Jollof rice is ready to be served. Now you've just made for yourself a pot of jollof rice, guys. So guys, if you've watched this video to this point, I'm sure you've learned something new. Don't forget to like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Do you know that jollof rice is perfect for weight loss? If you want to lose weight, come closer. I ate jollof rice for 1 month and I lost 2 kg. If you want me to tell you how, please write in the comment section how. So type how in the comment section and I will guide you on how you can eat jollof rice and lose weight. I'll be showing you how to clean your jollof rice pot like a pro. Now you want to put your pot back on fire. After dishing out your rice, you add your water to this pot and you see the magic. Add your water. After adding your water, you add your baking powder and you're also going to add your soap. Just a little soap, guys. Sure you are shocked. Everything is clean, you see, just for me to sieve it and wash.